Coi chừng cái đuôi.
Giữ chặt vào.
Dây cáp đứt rồi.
Cá mập khổng lồ. Pull harder. Heave.
In the depths of the ocean, where human light could barely reach, the colossal steel ship silently cut through the waves. Venturing into the pitch-black sea, wind howled through the hull, waves crashed against the iron sides. And beneath the icy water, a colossal creature had just been pulled from the abyss, on the deck, under rows of cold, white high-pressure lights. The massive shark stretched out like a living mountain. Steam rose from the damp deck, mingling with the sea mist to create a surreal and oppressive scene. Each step of the fisherman echoed dryly on the steel, each movement slow and precise, allowing no room for error. They moved around the giant creature in their dark blue raincoats, like silent shadows in the night sea. There was no loud talking, only hand signals, the sweeping lights of the ship.
Keep pulling, don't let it go.
Trời ơi, cá mập khổng lồ. Help.
And the deep, rumbling sounds of the machinery slowly coming to life. The steel cables stretched taut, hissing like strings pulled to their limit, signaling the start of the most arduous phase of the journey. As the crane system activated, the entire ship vibrated. Metal clashed against metal, echoing deep within the hull. Each movement carried an immense weight, not only of the colossal shark, but also of the ocean itself, now stirred up. Steam rose, reflecting off the slippery deck, transforming each scene into a cold, overwhelming industrial spectacle. This was no longer a hunt. This was a confrontation between man and the sheer scale of the sea. The fishermen began their work in silence. Heavy equipment was brought into position, step by step, with precise timing. Each time a system The sound was like a giant hammer pounding the hull. Each time the crane lifted, the entire steel deck seemed to sag under its unimaginable weight. Between the harsh white lights and the thick fog, the giant shark lay motionless. Yet its presence permeated the entire space. Its sheer size alone made humans seem insignificant. Bodies clad in dark blue raincoats moved around it, like workers standing beside an ancient machine salvaged from the depths of the world. Time passed in rhythm with the machinery. No one counted the minutes. They counted each completed stage, each secured cable, each locked system. Sweat mingled with rain and sea spray. Breath mingled with the low rumble of the engine. On the deck, every sense was enveloped by sound, light, and vibration. Out there, the ocean roared. High waves relentlessly crashed against the hull, as if to remind us that we were merely borrowing a tiny space in the vast expanse of water. Each time the ship rocked violently, the chains tightened, the metal groaned,